Think you know how to clean your carpets? Some of the most popular cleaning hacks online might actually be ruining them. Today, we're debunking the biggest carpet cleaning myths and revealing what really works. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the FastKlean channel, and hit the bell so you never miss our cleaning tips. Let's start with one of the most common myths. Baking soda alone removes stains. While it's great at absorbing odors, it won't lift tough stains and can actually build up in your carpet fibers. For better results, blot stains with warm water and mild detergent or a diluted vinegar solution. Another myth says you only need to clean carpets when they look dirty. The truth? By the time dirt is visible, it's already deep in the fibers. Vacuum at least weekly and schedule a deep clean every 12 to 18 months. Some believe steam cleaning causes shrinkage. Modern professional methods don't. Shrinkage happens when carpets are oversaturated and poorly dried, usually from cheap rental machines. And vinegar? It's not a miracle solution. Undiluted vinegar can damage certain carpet types. Always spot test first or use a pH balance cleaner. Never scrub stains aggressively, it just pushes them deeper and frays the fibers. Instead, blot gently and give the cleaning solution time to work. Finally, DIY machines can't match professional results. They often leave carpets too wet, which can lead to mold. Professional equipment extracts dirt more effectively and dries faster. Here's what actually works. Vacuum regularly, act fast on spills, use the right cleaners, deep clean annually, and make sure carpets dry completely. If you found these tips useful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who loves cleaning hacks, and subscribe to FastKlean for more expert cleaning advice every week.